The Big Fix, an extra repair cafe. Meet the Menders.
My name is Valerie. I learned my trade. I'm a seamstress, for want of a better phrase. I did it at A-level, at school of course, and then went on to College of Education to learn how to teach it. I concentrated on the dressmaking side, made my own clothes, made my own wedding dress, and my daughter's bridesmaids' dresses when she got married recently. And it's nice to keep my hand in and do sewing for other people. But I like coming to the Repair Cafe mainly because it saves things being thrown away. It also passes on the message and confirms the message that we can recycle a lot of things if we try really hard, and hoping to spread the word and have more people helping and more people bringing their things to be fixed. I think the most common thing we repair is probably jeans, because they wear, although it's good material, people have a pair of jeans that are their favourite jeans. They wear them for everything. The young man this morning that had his jeans repaired, he cycles a lot, so they wear very easily.
Did you know the UK spends £52.7 billion a year buying 1.1 million tonnes of clothing? Over 25% of this ends up in household waste bin after only 12 months. Bring your clothing to the Big Fix in Exeter on Saturday 23rd of February. Find out more on our Facebook page or visit recycledevon.org.